Morning everyone, my name is Mark Arindi Bartolome. I'm going to show you how to configure Windows Server 2008. So we already tackled on how to install the Windows Server 2007, XP and the Windows Server. So let's start by configuring it. As you can see, we're starting fresh. New installation of our Windows Server 2008, and we're going to wait for the installation to finish. So as you can see, the installation has been completed, and when you finish installing the Windows Server 2008, this is what you're going to be greeted up upon. And for this video, we're going to show you how to configure the Windows 2008 server. So if you want to watch the video on how I will install it, I will put a link down in the description. So first, let's click on set time zone. We're going to set the time zone to the closest time zone to our place. So it is +8. This is Beijing, Hong Kong, and uh, just pick this one, which is the Beijing, Hong Kong. You're going to put that, and we're going to click OK. So let's configure the network settings. We're going to right click here, go to properties, and go to Internet Protocol version 4, and you're going to click that, and you're going to input the IP address. So I'm going to use a specific IP address, which is saved on my phone. Okay, let me find it. Here we go. It is 92.168.1. We're going to put the subnet mask. There we go. Let's repeat what I did. And on 1, and we are going to use the following DNS server. So let's go 126.0.0.1. This is what we're going to use. Then let's click on OK and close. And if we head on back, we are going to see that it is now configured. Now let's provide a computer name for our device. So let's put on iTOS 22 Bartolome. There we go. Let's try to click on apply. So it is now, there we go. It is now iTOS server. As you can see, let's try to, there we go. We can rename it here. Let's go iTOS 27 Bartolome. This is our server name or our desktop name. As you can see, it only is limited to 15 bytes, so we need to shorten this one out. Yes, let's change it again so it's more shorter. Let's just go with Bartolome. Let's click on OK, and then click on close. So we're going to restart the computer. So the new information will show up. Force restart. We're going to force restart it. After that, you're going to install Active Directory, and you're going to install Active Directory. So I'm going to show you how to do it. It's starting. We will restart our computer so that the computer name will show up right here. That is good, and we can close this one. And this will show after you close that window. So this is now active. So we're going to click on roles. We're going to click add roles. So Let's wait for this to finish. You can read all of this, but the only thing you'll need is you need to click next, and you're going to find Active Directory domain service. Let's double check if I click on the right one. Yes, it is. Yes, that is what we're going to need. So we're going to click on this one, and you're going to need install this, which is the add required features, and we're going to click next. You're going to have this thing here. You're just going to proceed on next, next, and wait for the installation of the net framework. This is going to help activate that Active Directory domain services. So let's wait for it to install. Then we're going to click on close. After that, as you can see, there's already one role here. So we're going to click Active Directory domain services and run the Active Directory services installation wizard. So let's click on that. You are going to be welcome here, and we're going to click next, next, and we're going to create a new domain in a new forest. So let's click on next. This is the forest domain, so we're going to name it items.bartolome.com. So that is our forest root domain. So let's check it up if it's already in use. Let's verify it. So yes, it's already verified. So we're going to click next, next, and we're going to click next. When this message pop up, you're only going to click yes, and you're going to check here if the Windows installation folder is correct. You're going to click next and add a password. So this password requires a letter, one caps and lowercase numbers, and a special symbol. So let's see, match up. Wait, I might have mistyped that. There we go. There we go. We're going to click next, next, and we're going to wait for the DNS server to install. So while waiting for it to install, this is very important for our computer to make sure the server is running as functionally as it can, which is why we need to install the Active Directory domain services. It's going to take a short time, but it will probably install in the next few minutes. So let's just wait for it. There we go. It's now completed. We're just going to click finish and restart now. This is the second restart of our tutorial. After which, when we boot this thing up, it's going to show you the domain name, how it's set up, and we're also going to show you that it already has installed the DNS server for us. So let's wait for it to load properly. So let's afterward it's finished. Let's wait for it to show up the reader information. As you can see, it's now it loaded up the domain, the full computer name, the area local network that you set, and the time zone. Let's close this one, and as you can see, it already had changes here. Let's go to the roles, and we have to install DNS server and the Active Directory domain. So that is how to configure your Windows Server 2008. Thank you for watching and goodbye.